That is really fast. Oh man. Gyro mode. Alright, let's see here. Oh. Try that again. Holy cow. I hope I got that in frame. That has got some power and some speed. Holy cow. Look at that. Can you believe that? Oh man. This is going to be fun. Okay, got my brushless converted Ranger 600 out here. It now has twin brushless motors on it. Let's take it out here. I've got a fairly capable battery in it. I don't know how much flight time I'm going to get, but should supply the amps. All right, launching. Yeah, I gotta adjust my elevator. I got some tuning to do. I'm in fully stabilized mode right now. And it is fast. I have to keep throttling back. Alright, I'm gonna put it into gyro mode now. And it's kind of windy out here, unfortunately. Yeah, I definitely have to keep throttling back. Definitely moving through the air faster, huh? Alright, let's see here. Ready? Oh yeah. That has got some power now. Ooh, it is windy out here. It's quieter than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so let's come through here. Let's test the vertical again. That is awesome. That is speedy. Alright, let's come through here. Ready to go vertical? Unlimited vertical. Unlimited vertical, guys. That is fast, isn't it? Unlimited vertical. Holy cow. That is a race car now. Ooh. Yeah, it's not doing too bad considering how much wind is out here. Is that cool or is that cool? Oh, we got good rudder control. Yeah. What do you guys think of my Ranger 600 now? Is that cool or is that cool? It still seems just as maneuverable as it was. I don't have any differential in those motors, guys, but they're pretty close inbound, you know, to the fuselage. And it looks to me like it has very good rudder control with those twins. Oh yeah, look at that. Awesome. Spins right around. Holy cow. That is so awesome. All right, I'm starting to get my haptic. I want to see how this battery's going to hold up. I'm going to put it into stabilized mode here with this wind. Bring it in. I want to see. This is just a 350. This is one of my GMB 350. Oh man, hit a bump or something. This is one of my GMB 350 milliamp hour, but I think they're 80C lipos, or at least labeled as 80C. But man, was that awesome! Was that awesome? Man, this plane is going to be so much fun going forward. It was absolutely awesome as it was stock. It was absolutely. This is absolutely my favorite beginner plane. All the planes that I've flown, this is my favorite beginner plane stock. But now it is really a high performance low twin motor glider that is about double the weight that it was stock, but still fairly lightweight, I think, for a 600mm wingspan twin brushless motor plane. So I just want to see, with my little GNB here, I want to see how much juice is left in this lipo. I'll hold it up here, hopefully so you can see it. Oh, look at that. 7.48, almost 7.5 volts, or 3.7 per cell. Not bad. Over 3.75 per cell. So anyway, stay tuned for some additional flying with this plane, and the more I get it tuned, the better it'll be handling. Alright, that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.